like button.
Hit that subscribe button.
You guys like? Look who we have here.
So I'll show you our ride to the place.
Go.
This is our ride.
So what's their names?
This is Miguel, Zara, and Chris.
Chris in the back.
Yo, Chris Brown.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we just stopped here and where are we? This is Ngati Whare.
Yeah.
And there's some horses up there. Pretty cool, eh?
Pretty cool. And he gave them money. Hola, and we are here at Whirinaki Forest. And
give me a hoya.
yeah, if you don't know what that is, it's an inside secret. But you might find out a bit later when he gets too excited. It's something that it's an expression. You'll find out a bit later, but you must stick around for that. So here we are. We got a group of I don't know. There's probably about 17 of us or 18 of us. We have 7 cars. It's going to be a fun weekend today because today we're going to do a bit of exploring here in Whirinaki. And if you don't know what that is, let me show you a little map right now. And welcome back. So yeah, we're about to start a little hike. I think it's about 3 hours and a half. It's not too bad. I still need to learn more about what this place is. It's quite a territorial area apparently, and some people say it's a bit dodgy. But I mean, look how popular this place is. This place has a lot of cars in here, you know? But yeah, anyway, we're just loading up. So without some proper introduction, let's go see the fam. You probably already know most of them, so... But I mean, why not? Let's go see everyone. There are some new faces.
I don't know the lyrics, but I'll try and sing it.
Everybody knows these guys already. You got Axe, Philip.
JBL, sponsor me.
Everybody knows these guys. T3.
Yeah.
Or should I say Timo and Sarah.
Minus Ciska.
And there she is with the snack pack. Shout out the snack pack. You've alreys seen Philip with his music.
Bastard.
And everybody knows Cam. Hi Cam.
Hey.
Nicole's here.
I just got some
Probably doesn't know she's being recorded.
I always know. I was in there having a good time.
Snacky. What are those?
You need your OSM and your protein.
OSM. Look, Nicole, OSM.
All the different flavors.
Oh wow. How do you make you guys? You guys got follow this?
Hey, I'm Amy.
Amy.
Hey, man.
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo?
I'm Zidane.
Zidane. Oh yeah. I've seen some of your videos.
Zidane. Huh?
I've seen some of your videos from
Oh,
Sister's
yeah,
Place.
I've seen you and some of it.
Training by Ciska, our instructor, right?
I was thinking do a gorilla bomb.
I was thinking pin drop. We went down this, I don't know what do you call this? What do you call this area?
Rope?
We came down this rope that led us to this beautiful canyon. Hey Lance.
Hey mate.
AKA Daddy.
Sugar Daddy.
Big Daddy.
That's the one.
Big Daddy.
So we made it to this little canyon. I think it's just, what do you call this? Just a Whirinaki Forest River area? Canyon, that's the word. Say hi guys. Hi.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Can I get a hoya?
How was that swim, bro?
Oh, well, it was pretty cold, I gotta admit. It was pretty wet, and yeah, just super cool to be in there. Yeah.
What was the second guy? How was the swim, bro? So warm. So warm. I'll do it any day. Oh, where are you guys going?
Romantic night. No. No. Sarah's
With my
dad.
dad.
Oh, lucky. All right. We'll see you
morning.
what's tomorrow? Football.
8 a.m. Pack and save.
Where's the lodge? How far is it?
Isn't it like 2 hours?
All I think about is you.
Look, it's Nicole. AKA Kiwis That Fly. Give her a check out. All her photos are amazing. Let me insert that all down here. Grayson, kia ora whānau.
Let me love you.
What are we doing now?
Loving you. Now getting pizza.
I'm getting pizza.
Ethan,
Everything.
pizza. And then we got Hoover fries, normal fries.
The next day.
Good morning. Here in
Morgen.
Murapara or something like that. We're staying at a lodge. Sorry we didn't actually say goodnight to you last night. Everybody was just off the camera and just enjoying the moment. So we'll show you around anyway and say good morning to everybody. We've already had breakfast. I can hear the laughter and laughing and everything right from like 100 meters.
Yeah, they're practicing a TikTok dance right now. Can see them over there.
You guys witnessed that? That was pretty incredible.
To the falls where we put in, not above but below. Okay? Yeah. And another one.
Another one.
Morena! Give us the dance! I love your dance.
Oh, I love you too. How you doing? Welcome, folks. Some familiar faces.
Your faces.
So, I'm Don.
Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Mark.
Nice to meet you. Let's have a good trip today. Amy.
Hey, Amy.
Oh yeah, you'll be bringing
Boys,
stuff
come
in.
on, boys, give it along. All right.
Leave it in the car.
You get that?
Yeah, I got that.
Tēnā koutou katoa. Nā mā haere mai ki te Rangitaiki awa. It's a big warm welcome to the Rangitaiki River. Get the knee pads on the knee and the hip bone connection. Yeah, so you get what the idea. You gotta pull them up from the left first.
Just say,
Head to the toes. Kick down.
head to the toes.
Head to the toes. My fingers and my nose.
Oh.
I struggle with that too.
All right. Okay, so that's how it lays out.
You got bulletproof. So we just geared up, guys, and this is what it looks like. You got your wetsuit to keep us warm. Wow, you need a wetsuit to keep us warm. You got a life jacket. Water shoes, I guess. Flippers I need, and some hand flappers, or whatever they're called. Sand block.
It's not gonna come off.
Are you ready, kids?
Yep.
All right, Captain. I can't hear you.
I'm so ready.
Hey Lance, any tip and pointers for river buggy since you've done it once?
Lance has got a big tip.
Uncle tip.
Yeah. I only put it in halfway.
Put it halfway.
The
Yeah.
back half.
Back half. Okay, I'll remember that. So you Timo, for someone who hasn't done it yet, anything that you'd like to say?
Just gotta go hard and fast.
Hard and fast.
Yeah.
We go river bugging.
And what any tips?
Tips?
Yeah, what do you expect? What's the best part?
The best part, the waterfall. Oh, no, just kidding. We don't go down a waterfall, but I think the scenery will be pretty sick today.
So Sabine, how long have you been doing this water park?
For ages. Do you mean privately or, tours?
Total tours, yeah.
Tours, I would say 12 years.
12 years, wow. What got you into doing this?
This is so cool. This boat is light, easy to manage, and much easier than rafting and kayaking, and everyone can do it.
Yeah, that's so cool.
And that's fun.
Where are these boats from? Because honestly, this is the first time I've heard about these river boats ever. Like, where does it come from?
Interestingly enough, the inventor is a Kiwi from Christchurch.
Invented by Kiwis?
Yes, by Kiwi!
Wow!
Yeah.
Oh.
And then we thought they were so cool, we took them overseas first.
So you took them overseas first, and then you took them here?
Now we're coming back.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's so cool.
To the origin.
Yeah, to the origin.
What a beautiful day it was. Here we are back at the lake where we started this morning for a river buggy, and now we're gonna have a picnic. It'll be beautiful. Big shout out to Ciska.
Who's that?
Ciska for organizing this. Everybody already knows her. New Zealand Adventurous. We got a picnic. After a beautiful day river bugging with our friends, we've ended the day with a picnic prepared by Ari, and this is how it went down. So this brings us to the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for tuning in. We've had a great time, definitely had a great time. I didn't realize we're actually in Whakatane district area.
Oh yeah.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So that ends the vlog right here. Thank you guys for watching. It's been such an awesome time. Big shout out to Ciska for putting this together. And the two boys have got something to say.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Adios everybody.